Hi everyone, welcome back to HiFi AV Tech, the channel where we explore the best in home audio and video technology. Today, we are reviewing the Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 6. This is a 3.1, two-channel soundbar that comes with a powerful wireless subwoofer and supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X. If you are thinking about upgrading your home theater setup with a soundbar that delivers immersive spatial sound and clear dialogue, then this review is for you. Let's begin with what comes in the box. Sony includes the soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, 2 power cables, a remote control with batteries, an HDMI cable, some documentation, and footers for placing the soundbar on a TV stand. There is also a QR code to download the BRAVIA Connect app. The soundbar itself is sleek, compact, and lightweight. If you are upgrading from an older or bulkier model, this one will feel much more refined in both design and size. Setting up the BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 is quick and simple. Just connect the HDMI cable from the soundbar to a TV that has an EARC HDMI port. Plug in the power for both the soundbar and subwoofer and turn them on. From there, the BRAVIA Connect app guides you through the rest of the process. It detects the system, checks connections, and helps you calibrate speaker placement based on your room. The app allows you to control volume, switch sound modes, and even update firmware. While it would be more convenient to have physical buttons for some features, the app works well for most adjustments. The real strength of the BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 lies in its sound performance. With 3 front-firing speakers, a dedicated center speaker, and 2 up-firing drivers, you get a spacious and immersive 3.1 two-channel experience. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X, which adds an impressive sense of height and depth to movie scenes. Dialogue is especially clear thanks to the center channel and Sony's Voice Zoom 3 technology. This makes it easy to follow conversations even in scenes with loud background effects. The result is a surround sound effect that brings the theater experience right into your living room. Music playback is also enjoyable. Using Bluetooth, you can stream from your phone or other devices with little to no delay. The sound remains crisp and full even at high volumes. The subwoofer adds a strong bass response that brings energy to music genres like EDM, hip-hop, and rock. Sony's DSE feature enhances compressed audio and older recordings by restoring lost details. Whether you are listening to vintage classics or high-quality tracks, the BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 delivers a well-rounded and vibrant soundstage. The soundbar includes a few built-in sound modes to suit different listening situations. Night mode softens loud sounds like explosions, making it ideal for watching movies without disturbing others. Sound field mode expands the audio to simulate a wider soundstage, which is great for action scenes. Voice mode boosts dialogue clarity, which is helpful if you have difficulty hearing voices clearly. These settings can be accessed through the app or the remote. One downside is that there is no screen or LED display to show you the current mode, which may lead you to rely heavily on the app for confirmation. If you own a compatible Sony BRAVIA TV, the integration becomes even smoother. You can control the soundbar using your TV's quick settings menu and remote control. When paired with certain BRAVIA models, Acoustic Center Sync allows your TV speakers to work with the soundbar's center channel for even clearer dialogue. The Voice Zoom 3 feature also enhances speech using AI to ensure voices are loud and clear. These features are designed to make the audio-visual experience more seamless and immersive when using Sony's ecosystem. There are a few limitations to be aware of. First, this system is not expandable, meaning you cannot add rear speakers or extra channels later. The remote is also not backlit, which makes it difficult to use in a dark room. Another small issue is the indicator lights on the soundbar, which only show that something has changed, but not what setting is currently active. These are not major issues, but they are worth considering, especially if you are looking for a system with more flexibility and control. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. One user shared that after switching from an older Samsung soundbar, the BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 completely transformed their listening experience. They praised the clarity of dialogue and the ease of installation. Another user mentioned how effective the simulated surround sound was, especially in action scenes. Even without physical rear speakers, the soundbar created a convincing sense of space. Music playback was also a highlight for many users, with balanced sound and strong bass performance. While some noted minor annoyances with the app or lack of expandability, most agreed that this system is a great choice for anyone upgrading from basic TV audio. In conclusion, the Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 6 is an excellent all-in-one home audio system for those who want cinematic sound without the complexity of a full surround setup. It performs especially well with Sony BRAVIA TVs, but works fine with other brands too. With powerful spatial sound, deep bass, and strong dialogue clarity, this soundbar is a major upgrade over built-in TV speakers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to HiFi AV Tech, and tap the bell icon for more detailed reviews and breakdowns of the latest in home audio and video tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.